Hey everybody, welcome to Mammoth Interactive's YouTube channel. First of all, I want to thank you for watching this video. And remember that this channel doesn't do Patreon. Instead, we sell our digital courses down below. And every single dollar that we get from the products you buy below goes into making more content. The best way to help out this channel and Mammoth Interactive is to subscribe to Mammoth Interactive's huge library of content. Get thousands of hours and hundreds of courses for a low price down below. We have a monthly option and a yearly option. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the video.
All right, so one of the things you can do is you can make a moving platform here that moves between two, or you can make one that moves in between three. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this, duplicate this here, and I'm going to call this moving platform. I'm going to go complex. Now, if you're making a game that requires platforms, I would just go with this approach and try to make your level design just use the most simple or the least amount of tools first. When you make a game, if you make things too complex, it's not going to work out for you right off the bat. So it's always good to go with simplicity. But nevertheless, so I have added in this complex moving platform. I'm going to delete that here. Just drag out the complex one. Now we also have, let's add in one more location point. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this, and I'm going to call this location 2. I think there we go. So you might think it would be as simple as making the control point and adding this in here, but you would be wrong. Okay. What you need, so the reason why I say that is let's click on location 0. Let's actually move it over here. Actually, let's start with location 0 here. And I don't think I compiled it. There we go. And location 2. Okay. So as you can see, watch what happens. And we need to make the duration a little bit more. So let's go here. Let's make it 1. So, all right. So you can see here that it's moving in between these three, which technically makes sense because that's exactly what we told to do. You know, we moved to location 0 to location 1 and location 2, and in this interrupted movement, we also have these duration here. Okay, so or the ping pong effect is really what I'm trying to get at. So it's a really easy fix here. So I'm just going to drag this out here, make control point, and all we have to do is add in the original location here. And that way, you can see here that it almost works, but doesn't quite work. That's because we don't use ping pong, we just use loop reset. There you go. Right? And you can see that they move in between all three. Now, obviously, that's a huge and fast platform. But, you know, if you wanted to have something else that moved around, that actually would work too. But that actually looks pretty interesting. Okay. Let's see if I can get on this. There we go. And so there we go. It basically just moves in between all three. Okay. And that is what you might want to do. All right. So location 1, 2, and then 0. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.